Hi everyone, welcome to Art Deck. So what I've got here today is the Anova Precision Chamber Vacuum Sealer. So what we'll go ahead and do in this video is an unboxing, as well as go over some of the specs as well as the features of this. And in another video, do a test run of this chamber vacuum sealer so that you can see just how it works. All right, so without further ado, go ahead and open this thing up. You see, they did ship it a box within a box, which is very good. I like it when they do that. That way it has some protection. Now beware, this is just slightly heavy. The chamber plus the packaging does come in at about 21.9 pounds, so don't be a little surprised when you get it, and it does have some weight to it. Okay, and here's the no frills black and white box that you get. Go ahead and open up this one as well now. First thing I notice is the nice beefy protection packing material they have in here. Very good. And the packing material does appear to be all around it, which is very good. It seems like it's on the front, the sides, the top. It does appear to be on the bottom as well. There's just nothing on the back though. All they had in the back was this little pieces, and that's it. All right, this is exactly all that came in the box other than the packaging material. All the extras that come with it is inside the chamber. Luckily, there are hand grips on the side in order to help you pull out of the box, so be aware of that. Now, the first thing that catches my eye upon taking the plastic off, I like the top. I'm assuming this is glass, and it's actually a very thick glass by the looks of it, and there's a lot of weight to this glass as well. Seems a little loose, but it doesn't need to be snug because the gasket here will make sure it gets airtight. But this is a thick and heavy glass, and I like that. All right, let's go ahead and get some of this taping off. Well, let's look on the inside here. And in the plastic bag, you got your quick start guide. Looks like you got some starter pouches here. Okay, so that's pretty much all that comes with it. Now be aware, the vacuum chamber seal bags that come with this and that you would buy specifically for chamber vacuum sealers will not work with standard vacuum sealers. The reason being is because the standard vacuum sealers require one side to have I guess, like raised little dots all over the side of it, and vacuum chamber sealers don't require it, so it is completely smooth on both sides. And because of that, you cannot use these with a standard vacuum sealer, but you can use standard vacuum sealer bags with a chamber vacuum sealer, so just be aware of that. I did notice that I'm assuming this is an accessory hole, but it doesn't come with an accessory tube, so you would not be able to use those accessory tubes to vacuum seal like cans or those containers that can be vacuum sealed. If it's available, which I haven't looked yet, apparently you'd have to buy it separately in order to get it to work. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the display panel here, or the control panel here. So let's go ahead and power it up. The switch is going to be here in the back. Okay, over here on the left, you're going to have your pre-programmed settings. Looks like you got infuse, extract, compress, pickle, dry, cool. Right here, you've got your vacuum. You have a strong vacuum and a normal, and you have your seal setting of strong, normal, and off. It's actually not being displayed right now, but here you would actually have an up and down arrow keys, and that's going to be your skip stage and your edit time when it's available. You got your timer status display. Over here, you've got your status indicators, which is going to be vacuum, sealing, or cooling. And this is going to be your start and stop button right here. So this was the video on the unboxing, the specs, some of the features of it. If you guys have any questions about it, please feel free to ask in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And in the meantime, thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and y'all stay safe out there.